Dear lovely people, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how to fix a Telegram messages not sending problem. So for that, you have to first of all check your internet connection. If it is on Wi-Fi or unstable, you can change it to your mobile data for a stable network connection, and then try to use your Telegram. If the problem is still persisting, go to your Telegram app and here keep tab on it or long press on it and go to the about information. Now here you will find the storage section in here. So go to storage, and here as you can see there is a cache file of 41.59 MB. So I'm gonna tap on clear cache and the cache file will be deleted. And once the cache is cleared, you have to just log back into your Telegram account again, and hopefully this will solve the issue. So yeah, let us know how it worked for you, and if it did, please share it with your friends and family, and please like our video and subscribe to our channel. That helps us grow, and we'll see you in the next video.